What's up, guys? Peter Von Panda here. You want to check out my mad whips on dubs? So I'm standing out here with my Audi A4, but one of the things that maybe you mentioned and want to talk about, all these wheels on there, I really hate them. So really exciting news, just came here via FedEx are these boxes, and in these boxes I picked them up, as you might be able to see here, from ECS tuning, and it's because really Audi's design language has stayed the same. So I really like keeping the older Audis because I think they still look pretty modern. The problem with this car is that the rims are, 17 inches. They're not bad. And they're really nice condition. It's the rims that came with this car, but I really wanted something a little bit bigger as well as something a little more modern, and the Audi Rotor Style 5-spoke wheels are my absolute favorite. They come stock on some of the S-Line and S-Sport models, like the TT is where I really noticed them, but I just really love them, and because I picked up my Audi in gray, I wanted those because they're also gray. So, wanted to check it out, and did not want to spend a ton of money. Now, ECS actually makes these rims, apparently, and I was kind of a little worried about it, but the price point on them is fantastic. And on top of that, it seems through my research is that anyone who sells automotive equipment has certain standards they need to meet. And so from a strength or durability standpoint, even though these are aluminum, they should be as durable as anything else and keep your tires inflated. I've always heard that helps protect rims from potholes, especially here in the Midwest. After nasty winters and whatnot, we tend to get a lot of them. So I'm just gonna cut this thing open and let's take a look at the wheels. Hopefully they are as nice as I'm hoping they are. All right, so everything comes very nicely packaged. You can see here we've got this gray, it's a matte finish on this side, and I can tie that cover over the front here, so true unboxing. Ooh, we even have a little plastic ring here on the wheel itself to kind of protect it. Man, look at that, I absolutely love it. The only thing that's telltale that this is not an original is it says Alzor, which is, I think, ECS's own brand, but look at that. My lighting might not be perfect here, but it's actually kind of a matte finish a little bit. I know that on the Audi wheels, these are not real highly reflective, clear coated, and so I think this is a good facsimile of that. You can see here, it's not like reflective, kind of, it's almost like a little bit of a satin, but that is really awesome. The piece here on the edge is really what I was wondering, because I have seen these, especially in the aftermarkets, where they just paint the whole wheel. But this little lip here and these kind of cut-in fins, these almost sharp fins here, which are really great. It kind of gives the wheel a little bit wider look. I love because they're, I don't know if these are diamond cut, but they are basically kind of an unfinished or a bright silver. And so you get kind of this outer rim, this outer ring on the wheel look, contrasting with this gray. So that is awesome. I'm gonna get the rest of these packaged up, and then I'm gonna go over to NTD. I'm actually a little late for my appointment because I ordered new tires, new shoes, as we say in the biz, 18s to put on this bad boy, and we can see if we can make this car look a little bit better than it does now. So we will check it out when we get back here and see what we think about it. So I hustled over here to NTD because they had the right size in stock. So now I'm kind of waiting. Looks like they're gonna lose the sun, so an aftershock might not actually happen, or it won't be that clear. I'm really excited. I want this thing on. All right, guys, sun's going down and I just got the car back, but I'm getting some light coming off the store here. Otherwise, it'd be really hard to see. But as you can see, man, I love these wheels. I think they are so much better than the old ones. Obviously, a little bigger wheel and tire is going to make a big difference in kind of the look. But I think just from the standpoint of being gray, and obviously this style, this rotor wheel, is available on modern Audis, it just kind of freshens up that look and gives a little bit more of a modern look. If we go over here to this side, it's gonna be kind of dark, a little low light, but man, I love that better. Might have to do something about the ride height though. Sitting up pretty high. Looks like an off-roader, but man, love it, way better. I'll put a link to these in the description if you want to pick them up too, man. Like I said, the wheels were about half the price of the tires. Peter Von Panda out.